chemical properties of acid, which will be handled by Munibur Rahman.
Dear viewers, my name is Munibur Rahman. As you've been told earlier by the host, I am here to demonstrate the wonderful chemical properties of acid, which include neutralization reaction and displacement reaction. Please don't try the displacement reaction at home. So before I forge ahead, I would like to tell you more about neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction is a kind of reaction whereby an appropriate amount of acid reacts with an appropriate amount of base to produce salt and water only. Please don't get yourself confused, dear viewers. I'm not trying to say when you get an orange, which is acidic, and a bar soap, which is basic, you are going to get salt and water. When hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide, the procedures are: I'm going to get my base and take my test tube and pour in a little amount of base. Then I will take my acid, the hydrochloric acid, and pour it into the test tube. Then I'll take my indicator. I'm going to pour in my indicator. I will not tell you what indicator I'm using. Someone else is going to do that. Then I'm going to take my acid. As you can see, it's completely colorless. Now I will pour my indicator. As you can see, there's no change in the color. Now I'm going to take my base and pour in the indicator. Please watch the color. Wow, can you see that? It's color pink. Now, as you can see, this is color pink and this is colorless. And when I pour the two of them together, they are going to be completely colorless. Now watch me. Wow, can you see that? It's completely colorless. Now this solution here is my salt and water, and if it is evaporated, you are going to get your pure normal salt. This is the balanced equation demonstrating the neutralization reaction. This is the hydrochloric acid, which is aqueous, going to react with sodium hydroxide, which is also aqueous, to produce salt and water. So this equation is representing all this practical that we just demonstrated now. Thanks for watching. Once again, I am here to demonstrate the wonderful chemical properties of acid, which include displacement reaction. Please don't try the displacement reaction at home. So I would like to tell you more about displacement reaction. Displacement reaction is a kind of reaction whereby part of the reactant is replaced by another reactant. So the apparatus that are needed for this practical are tube. This is the test tube rack. This is the test tube holder. This is the metal, which is the zinc. This is hydrochloric acid. The procedures are: first, you use the test tube holder to hold the test tube. Then you take your zinc and pour it into the test tube gently. Then you take the hydrochloric acid and pour it into the zinc for the reaction to take place. Then, as you can see, this is the liberation of hydrogen gas. It is going to create a pop sound when the naked flame is brought close to it. Now listen. Wow, can you hear that sound? That's awesome. So this is zinc chloride. What was being liberated is hydrogen, which is flammable. Look at the balanced chemical equation demonstrating the displacement reaction. This is the zinc, which is in solid form, reacting with hydrochloric acid, which is in aqueous form, and we produce zinc chloride, which is also in aqueous form, and liberate hydrogen, which is gaseous. So this chemical equation, which is balanced, is demonstrating the displacement reaction that I have just demonstrated to you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.